शुरू करें. Hi, I am a graphic designer, I am an editor, I shoot stuff, I direct stuff, and I most of all love to act. Hi, my name is Adit Ravi. As a kid, I've always loved telling stories. मैं बचपन में बहुत झूठ बोलता था मेरे मम्मी से, भाई से. But today, in the present state of mind, I don't consider them as lies. I don't lie, I create fiction. I was the first son in the family of a lot of uncles, aunties, and to my parents, I was the first. My mom's younger brother, he said that मैं plane के नीचे काम करता हूँ, ये plane के अंदर काम करेगा एक दिन. So he wanted me to be a pilot. And everybody started feeding me this idea कि हाँ, I should probably become a pilot. But personally, this kid who's watching a movie sitting in Bangalore always said, I wanted to be this person inside the screen. I've been inspired by the times of Govinda, the early Shah Rukh Khan, Hrithik Roshan. So these were the people that, made me feel, yaar, I want to dance like this on screen. I want to look like this on screen. I want to be able to act like this on screen. अरे भाई, आजा आजा, जल्दी जल्दी. I'm gonna cook right now, so I'm a little bit in a hurry. Let's go quick. Oh, by the way, hi, say hi to Fluffy. On the outside, I was always this very introvert. I didn't know to socialize that well with people. And for me in school, I think one thing that helped me stand out and also that helped me open up to another bigger world which I was not aware of was dance. In our school, they introduced inter-class dance competition. And I have never showcased myself in front of people. I participated with a group of 8 members in our class. We ended up getting the second prize. And I think that at that moment is where my journey started. The people in my class started noticing and realizing कि इस बंदे में तो कुछ तो है. And that is when I realized, oh wow, I'm now slowly starting to connect with people. People have started to recognize me. So dance gave me that medium. The first dream I ever had was to become an actor, and that died in school itself. No one in my family is related to films in any way. So you don't have a chance, Adit. So that is why I thought, okay, at least on backup ke liye I have my artwork, so I can do animation. That's why I took up animation. And while doing animation, I realized that was not for me. So yeah, I took up filmmaking. 3 saal filmmaking pada. I learned everything about what it is to do behind the camera. After these 3 years was done, I realized, यार मेरा एक सपना था बचपन में, मुझे एक्टिंग करना था. It feels like a full circle. I had a dream, the dream got crushed, animation किया, कुछ और try किया, and full circle I came back to filmmaking, and now this idea comes into my head. Filmmaking try कर लिया, why not acting? Today is Sunday and I have back-to-back rehearsals. 10 बजे को एक rehearsal है with a production called Forum 3. After that, 3 o'clock I have another play where I am not acting, but you will get to see what I'm doing. And then I have another rehearsal at 8 o'clock, 8 to 10. So this is my day, it is jam-packed. अभी घर से निकलूँगा तो शाम को भी नहीं, रात को आऊँगा मैं घर. It started back in 2020. 3 साल लगे for me to make up my mind. ज़्यादा सोच मत. You might fail, but try तो कर ले एक बार. I kept pushing myself so much that in 2023, I applied for the workshop at yours truly. What I studied was basics of theatre. That was the program. It was called Basics of Theatre. But back of my head, I still was like, I want to do more. Be on a bigger stage, speak to a lot more people. And that is when I joined a theatre group called We Move. We Move Theatre had this intensive workshop. It was called Big Step Intensive Workshop. 3 महीने का workshop होता है
उसके बाद एक महीने दे टोन अस, दे स्कल्प्ट अस इनटू हाउ इट इज टू परफॉर्म ऑन स्टेज एंड फाइनली परफॉर्म आवर शो इन फ्रंट ऑफ 200 people.
नाले से लड़के ऑफ सेट है. Guys, breakfast खा लो पहले.
My first performance on stage. I still remember it was on the 3rd August 2024. I performed Aparajita. The theatre group's name was Dramatsis. I still remember the tech run right before the show. I entered the stage, lights on my face.
You just see nothingness. You just see this blank white screen. At that moment, right there at that moment, all my shivers in my body, that nervousness, everything went away. I was just, this is for me, man. ये मुझे करना है. ये मुझे हर रोज करना है. That moment I knew this is what I wanted to do.
You know, to step onto the spotlight, to be cheered by so many people, the applause, how many of applauses I get here on that moment will still remain in my brain, inscribed within me forever.
The first play that we're going for, it's called Kohinoor. Kohinoor is a play by a production called Forum 3. Fun fact, Forum 3 is one of the oldest theatre productions in Bangalore.
Forum 3 finished 50 years. That's 2 times more than the amount of time I've lived on this planet. And they were going to have their theatre festival in January, which is called Anveshana. So I was all strapped up, hey, let's go.
We have reached, this is the place that we will be rehearsing today. Alright, chalo, let's go.
How are you?
How are you? Very nice here.
So the character I'm playing is a clown that dances around and entertains people. He's the comic relief in the scene.
देखो 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 पैसा फेंको देखो 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 पैसा फेंको जोकर का खेल देखो ट्रॉफीज का खेल देखो जोकर का खेल देखो ट्रॉफीज का खेल देखो लड़का या लड़कियों पल में बदलने को इंसान रंचू मोटू या पतलू इसे दिल में समा लो गोली में बिठा लो जो चाहे कर लो चौक कर लो. Guys, this is a design I made. It's finally part of a merchandise. It's a bag that they're going to sell during the Anveshana festival. Let's go.
Right after Aparajita, the play, I got a call from another friend of mine, Naina, and she told me that there is this play called Jo Piche Reh Jate Hain by Mathura Kalani sir. She told me how amazing of a director he is. He's been a veteran in the theatre field for so many years now, and it would be a great opportunity to be part of this play and learn from this play. And she told me the play is going to be completely in Hindi, and I was like, ठीक है यार मैं कर लूँगा. I'm confident. I think this was the only play I was like मैं confident हूँ, मैं कर लूँगा, मिल जाएगा. Script आया हाथ में और script था हिंदी में. And when I mean Hindi में, it was even written in Hindi. It was written in the Devanagari script. And I was like, oh damn.
देख भाई मिल गया script. The script that I was so confident in that I can read out क्योंकि मुझे हिंदी आता है. But ये script लिखा भी हिंदी में. And that's something I was struggling with a lot क्योंकि मैंने last हिंदी script पढ़ा स्कूल में. Let me see how much I can do now.
और Mathura sir's level of Hindi and grammar is so amazing. And oh my god, it took me 2 minutes to read one sentence. Because I was trying to put phrases, put the words together.
हिमाद्री तुंग श्रृंग से प्रबुद्ध शुद्ध भारती.
Ye ko I didn't get it. And I knew, I wasn't surprised. I knew I wouldn't get it while I was reading that script. But Mathura sir was so kind enough, he told me, if you do want to learn more, do you like to be part of the play regardless? So he gave me the responsibility to do sound designing on this play, to play music live when the play happens.
Let's do it with you.
हाँ सर।
Happy New Year, sir.
10 टिकट पिक कर।
न सोने के लिए शैया, न सिर पर आच्छादन, ना उधर के लिए सुपाच्य भोजन।
बहुत बड़ा निर्णय लिया कुमार आपने, और बहुत अच्छा निर्णय है। श्री राम को अयोध्या से दूर कर ही भरत भ्राता को युवराज बनाया जा सकता है। यही कारण है कि श्री राम को दूर भेजा जा रहा है।
Guys, can you just take the last line and keep continuing with this? Because the poem will come with the music. Okay, we're getting late now. We were supposed to leave at 6 o'clock. It's 6:50 already. I have to get to my third rehearsal, which is at 8 o'clock. And that is almost about 40-45 minutes from here, but we can't say Bangalore traffic, so chalo, come fast. There was an audition post on Instagram that came up from this group called Solitude Theatre, and I DM'd them saying, okay, I want an audition for this, and they had an improv audition happening. So Madhuri, who was the director of a play called Karma, which is in Kannada, she wanted to adapt this play into English and have new actors perform in this play. Me and a group of other people that I've never known audition for this play. I got the role. I was not sure what role I'm going to play, but she told me you are in. So finally, beating all the Bangalore traffic, we have finally reached our destination.
Consider today is the day where you will be 100% honest to your character. How your mind works, like when you are going for the play. Tell me. I want to know your mindset.
Even though I'm always very confident and excited for show days, I always go with the sense of impressing the audience, impressing you as the director, impressing everybody that comes to see the play. And I carry on saying every other show that I do is my first show, and I'm here to impress. I feel like anything that we do, when we do it for the first time, we're giving it our all because we want to impress someone, right? First show हो गया, second show में जा रहे हैं, I still perform every show like it's my first. I treat it like it's my first show. I am here to still impress, do this for the first time in front of this new group of people. And every show I will do, 100th show, I will do it for the first time.
Okay, some space for you all.
Oh, thanks, Auntie.
Thank you, Auntie.
Auntie, we are getting late. We will leave now, Auntie.
Okay, drive safely.
Yes, Auntie, just one more. Thanks, Auntie.
Bye, Auntie.
Careful.
Yeah.
Gee, new apartment after a marriage, new husband. Hope so only. I'll make you a special coffee. And then it's a wrap for today. We are finally done with all the rehearsals. Let's go. But coming back home and taking Happy, my son, my dog, on a walk just slows my day down. Helps me just be in that moment rather than thinking what to do next, ये हो गया, अभी next क्या करना है, वो सब गया. I'm just here to be with him in that moment, just walk with him, just breathe in this silence of the night. One of my most favorite part of the day is that it's dedicated only to him. Just me, him, and the streets of Bangalore. I am not thinking about the negatives. I'm not thinking about what if this doesn't work out for me? वो टाइम गया, वो एक्सक्यूजेस वाला टाइम गया जब मैं सोचता था अगर ये नहीं होगा तो मैं क्या करूँगा, वो नहीं होगा तो मैं क्या करूँगा. आई एम नॉट हियर टू डू दैट नाउ. आई एम ओनली हियर टू लिव दिस ड्रीम ऑफ माइंड. इफ इट डजंट वर्क आउट, इफ नथिंग हैपेंस, वो मैं कल सोच लूँगा जब नहीं होगा. अभी मुझे ये करना है, इसीलिए मैं कर रहा हूँ. And that's the only thought in my head every night I go to sleep. I'm like, let's wake up tomorrow and start this all over again. Show day came, 18th of Jan, in Alliance Francaise de Bangalore, Anveshana. Yeah man, I so badly want to do it. I so badly want to be this actor that I've looked on screen, that I've seen on the stage, which I've seen on the big screen. I want to be that guy. So we are here at Anveshana. I'll have two performances today. One which will be a small monologue and another one in the evening for Kohinoor the play. So let's go and see how that goes. Few days before our first rehearsal, we got a text on the group from Shruti, the director of Kohinoor, saying, please prepare a 5-minute acting piece of yours to perform on the day of rehearsal. When I read that, I was like, oh shit, I don't have anything. I need to write something of my own. I can't take any Bollywood ka dialogue and chipkao isme. And I didn't even know why this whole 5-minute piece was being done. And that's when I told Shruti, hey Shruti, I don't have anything right now to perform in front of you, but give me a week's time, I'll prepare something and I'll come back to you. So I went back home, I worked on the script, I kept practicing that so much. I am taking the lines as I'm driving my vehicle, I am at home just sipping coffee and I'm taking those dialogues. Before going to sleep, I'm just taking those lines so that it gets inscribed in my head. Yeah, I was waiting backstage. I was so nervous. This what I've written, is it good enough? Am I going to perform it right? There was so much running in my head. The host comes on stage. She says, now we have a few 5-minute pieces written by the actors themselves and they will be performing on stage. And the first actor we have here today.
So may I call the first actor of today, Jasbate, which means emotions. So Mr. Adit Ravi, the stage.
And I step on stage and spotlight on me. There is silence. I can look at those renowned theatre artists and chief guests sitting ahead of me, and hi, my name is
Adit Ravi,
and the name of this was Corporate Majdoor.
Hey, hi. My name is Adit Ravi. I've been working in the corporate space for the past 5 to 6 years now.
माँ मुझसे ये सब नहीं होता है माँ. मैं सांस नहीं ले पाता हूँ इधर. लगता है जैसे मैं अपना दिमाग खोने वाला हूँ अभी. दम घुटता है माँ. दर्द होता है.
Oh my god, that performance was so thrilling, you know, because I was there to show them what I've written, what I've got. I took the whole performance, I finished, I come back on my seat, I sit down and I go, lights off, and all I can hear is applause. And the crowd starts roaring and shouting and people applauding. Oh my god, that feeling was something else. I don't know if I was able to impress each and every single person out there, but it mattered to me a lot that my mom was impressed with what I did. My mom loved the performance. She is part of this monologue, and she loved the performance, and that meant a lot more to me. These are the times when I feel like, यार मैं पैदा हुआ हूँ इसी के लिए यार. नौटंकी ना दौड़ता है मेरे रगों में.
Man, gotta be like that. You gotta be that thing away.
We're 10 minutes away from showtime. Audience is about to come in. I'm going to give a grand entry from here, so let's see how that goes. Moving around as this character from the audience to the stage to dancing around, doing a cartwheel and doing the monologue. It was a challenge for me in terms of how and when I take my breath between the dialogues, between the monologues. I still remember just holding my hands on the steering, heading back home. My eyes were filled with tears, and all I could just imagine is, what if Dad was here today to see this performance, to see what I've written, to see how I have done this performance in front of hundreds of people. How would he have felt in this moment? There is a lot more I want to do, a lot more I can do, but right now at that moment, probably Dad would have felt I've already done a lot. When I fall sick, I love that my dad used to carry me in his arms, take me to the terrace, just walk with me in the silence of that night, and he used to sing सुरमई अखियों में नन्हा मुन्ना एक सपना दे जा रे. सुरमई अखियों में नन्हा मुन्ना एक सपना. I've only heard this song coming from his mouth, and I've loved this song so much my entire life. My dad was the most happiest audience. He was my cheerleader. Everything that I did, let it come to art, animation, filmmaking, acting, he was always the first person who told me, तुझे जो करना है तू कर. I am pretty sure if he was there here today, he would definitely be a little concerned that I'm not earning, but I also feel like somewhere he would be very happy that I'm doing what I love doing. And he always said he is confident if I am confident with what I'm doing. We're all set, ready to go. In this play especially, I understood each and every actor in this play. What is their process of getting into a character? Each person had a different process. And it was so much fun understanding all my actors. Right? It could be Varun, it could be Gauri, it could be Parinita, Audrija, Lata ma'am, Ashwini, Anjan. Wow. All of these people are amazing, passionate actors. Let me tell you, I am not Rajesh because Rajesh is this goofy guy who's also very naturally charming, and at the same time hated character in this play. Men will be men kind of a guy. Geeta! Are you happy now? Getting into the psyche of this character and playing him was interesting. I had to really dive into the background of this character, Rajesh, so that I understand where is that reaction coming from. All that only comes when you give background to your character. The show was done, lights went off, music came on, people cheered, and the moment for credits for the actors to come on stage. And they call out everyone's name and then they call out my name. Young Rajesh, played by Adit Ravi.
Rajesh is Adit Ravi.
But then you also have the opportunity after the play when the audience come and meet you, you shake hands with them, and some of your friends hug you and they tell you how much they love the play. And there is my mom who will come to me and she will be like smiling and like, "Acha laga, nalla, you know, okay." She's probably not the most expressive person of the lot, but getting to know this much from her was enough.
कैसा लगा आपको? ठीक लगा? She's my biased audience. She's my mother and my most hardest critic. इनको बस ठीक लगा, बाकी सबको बहुत अच्छा लगा.
माँ बहुत बोली है. She's very simple. She's very excited to see me on screen when I'm doing a short movie or modeling for a photography shoot. She's excited to see all this. But every time she has this question, तू कमा रहा है क्या इससे कुछ? And I understand that's a genuine parent concern कि अपना बच्चा पैसा बना रहा है कि नहीं.
The play was great, and especially the younger person played by Adit Ravi. We loved the character, and
The performances was so good, the direction, the screenplay, it was so top tier, and the
Acting was good, dialogue delivery was good.
Everyone has been excellent with the performances, right from Geeta, Rajesh, and everyone.
Amazing.
Somebody who's never seen you in your life, when they come to you and they tell you how much they like the performance, that cheer from the audience gives you that extra boost as an actor. Okay, hi yaar, this is my capital. This is my money. The reaction I get to hear from all these people, the applause that I get, I think that happiness that I get, even money can't give me. सबको कुछ ना कुछ करना है जिंदगी में. किसी को मेटीरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स के सपने हैं, किसी को सक्सेस के सपने हैं, किसी को बस एक हैप्पी फ्यूचर के सपने हैं. पर है, सबके पास सपने हैं. एंड आई थिंक इट इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल इन लाइफ. इफ नॉट फॉर दोज, व्हाट्स द रीज़न टू वेक अप द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग? द रीज़न, दैट डिज़ायर टू गेट समथिंग, टू बी समवेयर, टू बी समवन. That's what gives you the energy to wake up every morning. Yes, this is my story, but behind this man's story, there were so many other people involved. There was Rinku Di, who wrote this story for Kohinoor, who gave me this opportunity to be part of this play. Shruti Rao, who directed me in Kohinoor, or Madhuri, who directed and wrote Guilt. If not for these women, how would this man get this opportunity to step up on stage and perform in front of hundreds of people? I'm very proud to say behind this man's making there were so many women involved. Because I recently started theatre and there's always this regret कि मैंने पहले शुरू क्यों नहीं किया. Just because of that, I feel like अभी जल्दी करना है, बहुत कुछ करना है, क्योंकि जहाँ मुझे पहुँचना है ना उसके लिए टाइम लगेगा, पता है मेरे. एंड right now is not the time for me to sit and relax. I just want to keep going one after the other. एक शो हो गया, दूसरा शो कर दिया, एक और ऑडिशन दो, दूसरा ऑडिशन दो. What I am dreaming right now is never going to come to an end. And I feel like I'll keep chasing it. जितना भी बड़ा हो जाऊँ मैं, I will keep chasing it until I keep getting better and better and better until my last breath.